Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist Kate McKenna.
Well, there is a chance for a few thunderstorms tonight and tomorrow. The bigger chance for not only thunderstorms but severe storms is Wednesday night. And it looks like we might even have more than one round of severe storms on Wednesday alone. But this is the outlined risk area for Wednesday from the Storm Prediction Center. I keep showing you this to keep reminding you that as we're talking about this threat, we're not talking about the immediate future. We are talking specifically about Wednesday later in the day. It's our western counties in that level 3 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center. Most of North Alabama right now is still in a level 2 out of 5, but as we know, that can change with time. And as we continue to fine tune those forecasts and those details become clear, you may see some adjustments to that. The WAAY 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network showing a pretty quiet picture. You know, it's been fairly active for a large chunk of the day. Some mist, some drizzle, some thunderstorms early this morning, some steady rain following. Now what we're watching is this little section here of activity. This little segment of storms just continues to fizzle. You can watch that happen even over the past hour as those showers now are approaching Lawrenceburg. You may hear a few rumbles of thunder in southern Middle Tennessee, but that's about it. Not really worth putting a track on because I think that's almost entirely going to fade even by the time it's reaching Lincoln County. Just a few lingering showers left over. So Muscle Shoals right now, believe it or not, we're seeing some sunshine. Still reporting an overcast sky. That's what it looks like on the WAAY 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. 70 degrees. It's breezy. Wind out of the south gusting to 18 miles per hour. It will stay breezy tonight. And I mentioned to you that we can see a few showers and thunderstorms both tonight and tomorrow. So let's go through the rest of today. There's 5 o'clock. There's that little section of storms. Watch it just kind of fizzle by the time we go all the way to 7 o'clock. That is a mainly quiet, a little bit of clearing on that picture, but as we go through the rest of tonight, it doesn't necessarily stay that way. Some data sources are bringing in this activity that's off to the northwest, farther south into the shoals. Others, like this data source, keeps all the thunderstorm activity up into Middle Tennessee without much of an impact here within North Alabama. This is now 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, waking up to a quiet but cloudy view, mild temperatures, a few thunderstorms skirting right along the Tennessee-Alabama line through around midday. There's 10 o'clock, now all the way to 3 o'clock, a couple of lingering showers, and that's about it. It's going to be good news for our Trash Pandas baseball season home opener tomorrow. 10 o'clock tomorrow night, though, that's when things do start to become a little more active. The swath of rain rolls through, a few rumbles of thunder. This is 2 o'clock, stopping it to show you when the bulk of the rain is moving through. And we've still got a few showers and storms early Wednesday morning. We're going to pick back up there in just a second. But through tonight, 58 degrees, a little bit of clearing, but also that mention for a shower or a storm, and it stays windy, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. That wind out of the south. Tomorrow looks like this. No really high rain chance. The chance for a few thunderstorms in the morning looks possible, looks more probable than anything in the afternoon, but it is also going to be quite warm. Now looking ahead to Wednesday, this is when we have that chance for not only a line of thunderstorms tracking through, but potentially some storms out even ahead of that line. So it's the risk for damaging straight line wind, a couple of tornadoes, and some heavy rain. We're going to get about an inch of rain out of this. So picking back up, 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, notice that we've got all of this activity off to the northwest, but staying largely quiet during the day here in North Alabama. Look at these storms out ahead of the line by 6:30. Those storms fizzle, but we still have 2 lines here. The main line continuing to track eastward across I-65. There's 11 o'clock, and in its wake, this is just ahead of the cold front, another line of storms continuing to move through 3, 4, 5 o'clock early Thursday morning. We're not entirely done with that activity until about sunrise on Thursday. And then we catch a little bit of a break. It's a little bit cooler. Easter Sunday, be watching that day because we might have some showers and thunderstorms back in our forecast.